Yes, welcome back guys. You're welcome to Global Geek TV. This video I will be showing you the site where you can be earning free TRX mining code free. Okay, it's a free site and it's a new platform which is just launched. Okay, and check the days of online, it's 5 days. Okay, and they have paid over 7,000 TRX to all over the users. Okay, and they have 56,000 total users, okay, plus the free users and the paid users, that is 56,000 people all over the company. Okay, you can go ahead and read the simple instruction given. Okay, very simple. Your mining rules are already set up and running. Okay, just a free site you can earn. Okay, first thing is that I'm going to put your TRX address in this column here. Okay, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel. Make sure you drop a nice comment to this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay, for more videos like this. Yes, okay, first thing that you get your TRX address, put it on this column here. Okay, look for your address, you have to put it somewhere here. Okay, it must be there. Go to your Trust wallet. See if these are Trust wallet now. Okay, yeah, these are our TRX here now. Just have to copy our TRX address, copy it and go to the dashboard here and you put our TRX address there. Just put enter. Okay, login successfully. Okay, in this platform you can earn free TRX for it. Free TRX. This is a miner here. To buy a miner, it is also good to buy a miner in this platform. Okay, to buy a miner, you're earning. Okay, for the free one, you're earning 5% every day, and every day you're earning 0.5 TRX. 0.5 TRX, and per week you'll be earning 3.5 TRX, and that is approximately power of 10 dash power. Okay, 10 dash power here. If you are not mistakenly, what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about there. Give you 10 dash power. Okay, you're on the free miner. Okay, for you want to buy a miner, you can go for the one of 50 TRX. You can buy one of 50 TRX. You should be earning 6% every day, and every day you'll be earning 3 TRX every day, and per week you'll be earning 21 TRX. It's a good one you can go for. Okay, but you don't want to go for that, you can go for the one of 200 TRX. Okay, go for the one of 200 TRX which you can buy, and that is approximately 200 trash power. Okay, 200 trash power, and every day you'll be earning 14 TRX. Wow, and every day you'll be earning 7% of the 200 TRX. Okay, and the third miner there, it is one you'll be earning 8%, and that one costs approximately 600 TRX. Okay, to buy any cryptocurrency, you can DM me on WhatsApp direct. I can say to you, please avoid any scammer coming to you telling that I want to buy TRX. Okay, yeah, this one is the 9% one, and the earning that one approximately 1,200 TRX. Okay, you can go for that one, and that one you'll be earning 108 TRX every day, and the last one there is 2,000. You need 2,000 TRX. Okay, for the affiliate system of commission, you're earning 9%. You're earning 7% commission per each person you bring to the system. Okay, you have to copy your referral link. Okay, and start sharing to your loved ones and your friends. Okay, and anytime you come to this site here, you see your miner here. Okay, you connect to this miner, and how to buy it is very simple. Okay, and how to buy it is very simple. Let's say you are going for the one of 200 TRX here. click on this 200 TRS. This sufficient form. First thing that I'm going to deposit, you come here now. How to deposit TRS, okay? You have to generate your address to make the payment. Okay, you copy it and make sure you deposit any amount you want to go for. You have the one of 50 TRS there, one of 200 TRS there, and one of 600 TRS. You should be earning 48 every day. You can go for anyone you want to go for. Okay, guys. How to withdraw is very simple. You just have to use the minimum withdrawal, which is 8 TRS. Okay. The minimum withdrawal is 8 TRS. Can go on and withdraw. Put the amount you want to withdraw. Automatically sends to your account you used to register successfully. As simple as that, guys. Okay, putting my address here. Okay, is how the platform fully work. Okay, is how the platform work. And the miner will be mining by itself. Okay, this is your miner here. You have to come here and click on collect. Okay, it does not mean that you can be coming to come and collecting it every minute. That's not concern. Okay, you can come here and collecting it every day, or 2 times in a day, or 1 time in a week. Once you know that you have invested, let's say you have invested like 200 TRS, you can just come in a day and come and withdraw the one of, let's see, okay, you withdrawing 14 TRS. Okay, that is 7%. Is a good platform which you can invest your TRS and start getting your returns. Okay, you can get your returns from this platform without you not regretting in this platform. Okay, you can go on and start making money and start earning from this platform. Simple as that. Okay, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.